Hi. There you are, sir. Cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we just received our SR-71 Black Bird from Banana Hobby just moments ago. And we're going to do the unboxing of this plane from Banana Hobby. Okay, it shows that it is an SR-71 box. Shipping box looks in good shape. Shouldn't have got damaged that way. This should be the pretty much ready to fly version. We ordered it with the radio. Let's take a look if everything looks like it's intact. You can zoom on in here a little bit better. Okay, this was sitting in here loose, but looks like this packing material was snapped off during shipping or something. So this looks like it's in okay shape though. Bubble wrapping on top. Again, you want to get some video right there. Even though that was taped down, these things are already snapped. Let's take a look what we have in this bubble wrap. Okay, came along with a 2.4 gig 6-channel radio. Open that up. Looks like the antenna needs to just be put on. Okay. Let's take a look what else came here. Just packing material. Right here looks like a nose cone or an engine cone. An engine cone, some glue, and maybe some pinstriping. And it looks like the glue, or tube of glue, leaked from the bottom. So we have some glue that is inside the bag. Instruction manual. We'll have to see how much of it is readable in English. Okay, what do we have in the corner here? Looks like a radio transmitter neck strap. This most certainly looks like it's probably a battery. Okay, it's a battery. It's got some Velcro, similar to Velcro on the bottom. No markings on it telling us what the milliamp or C factor is on it. It does have a Dean's style type connector. And here we have a pair of alligator clips with a power plug. More packing. What do we have here? Okay, this is the charger, so that's what the power plug was for. So here we have a balanced charger. Looks like it does 7.4 or 11.1 volts, 3 cell or 4 cell. The 12 volt input. So what you have here is a power cord for that, plugs in there. Take this to your 12 volt power source, whether it be a battery or power supply, and you can charge your battery. Okay, let's take a look at the airframe. So one side is snapped off already. This side looks like it's intact, so we'll snap that. The back seems to be in one piece, so we'll snap that. Okay, here's the airframe bottom. You can see the retracts. ESCs are flush there. Horns look okay. Servos are in place. Just a little foam. There we go. I'm gonna get a close-up of this. It's hard to see that it's black, but looks like one of the fins here is broke. Have to put a little CA there. Top of the plane looks in good shape. Did a nice job on that. And then we have our two fins. Looks in perfect shape. And this fin also looks in perfect shape. Okay, we're going to read the instructions and start the build, which looks like it's going to be pretty simple, and we'll also videotape that. It's the end of part 1. Check back later for part 2 of the SR-71 from Banana Hobby.